welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi honey. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? Because we're trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. And if you are returning, I want to thank you guys so much for rocking with me, y'all. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all the comments that you leave, the sweet comments, the encouragement. I want to thank you guys so much. So by the title, you guys already know what's going on. It is another week in the life of a nursing student vlog. Today is Monday. I already went to school, so I got to update you guys on what happened today. So unfortunately my teacher was sick, so we didn't really do much, but we did get some extra practice with vital signs, and I'm more comfortable now with the blood pressure and stuff. It's so crazy how I did like a complete 180, y'all. Like I feel so much comfortable taking manual blood pressures and respirations and all that stuff. I was running out of storage, but what was I saying? The main thing that was eating your girl up that I wanted to practice on was the lung sounds. I'm having such a hard time getting this, and it's grinding my gears like really bad because I don't understand what's not clicking. Why can't I just get it? So I'm starting to catch on to the more I listen. So I know that bronchi sounds like snoring. That's something to remember. So yeah, now I just gotta work on that coarse crackle, fine crackle. It's tearing me up, y'all. If y'all have any tips on how y'all remember the different lung sounds, please comment down below, because y'all is tearing me up, okay? Real bad. But yeah, that's what we did today. And then we just worked on other extra stuff since the professor wasn't there today. So I don't really have that much to update you guys on, but I do have to show you guys who came today, and the kids are so excited. So me and Deuce is going to show you.
Hi.
Go ahead, show them. Beautiful statement there.
It's right there.
Came today. Right there. You can't touch her because we don't want her to lose her magic. Right, Deucey?
Yeah. You made a bit mess.
Yeah, she had more cereal on here, but Beautiful cleaned it up because she didn't want Glenmon to come home and see all that cereal that our elf left for the kids. But yep, she came today. I am freaking out about these sorry y'all, me and some mints. I am freaking out about these lung sounds because we only have 2 weeks left, okay? And then we go out in the world to clinicals, and I don't want to be, I don't know, like I just keep thinking, I don't want to mess up, I don't want to mess up. And I know I'm a student, you know, that's going to happen, but oh my gosh, like, I'm just trying to get everything before we get to them 7 a.m. clinicals, because sis, what? I don't want to look stupid. Like, I know I'm still learning stuff, but oh my gosh, like I'm trying to get everything. And we had our evaluations last week, and my professor did say that I seem so serious about everything, and it's just because like I don't want to mess up. Like, and I'm naturally hard on myself. I've always been like that. So she was like, you just seem so serious. I'm like, yeah, I've always been like that. But I'm trying to work on that, y'all. I don't know. My anxiety about these freaking lung sounds is killing me. But yeah, besides that, I feel like I have all the vitals. I'm ready for clinical. We have 2 weeks left. I'm kind of excited but nervous, so nerve-skited I am. And I definitely gotta get me some more pants before we go to this clinical site, because them high waters ain't helping the confidence at all, okay? It just be the little things, like. And then today, well, not today, but a few days ago, I was talking to my classmate, and we was talking about bowel movements, and I was eating my food, y'all. And you know, you guys know how I said before in a previous vlog that I have a weak stomach. Like, I'm really a nursing student now. I was talking about bowel movements, okay, while eating my lunch, and it didn't faze me at all. And I'm like, wow, this is crazy. But yeah, y'all, so I just had to give y'all an update. Like I said before, if you have any tips down below for these lung sounds, please help a girl out, because I'm trying to be ready when I get the clinicals. Help me out, y'all. Yeah. Yours. Hold on, girl. Mom, where we going?
I'm going to shopping for the kids. Not my kids.
Oh. Yo, my mom dragged me out the house. We're going toy shopping. I just wanted to bring you guys with me since I don't be having nothing interesting going on. But yeah, we about to go toy shop. Is it giving Target, Mom?
No.
It's giving Walmart?
Walmart.
Girl, you could have told me that, but I can't. I can't. Y'all know how I feel about Walmart. If you know, you know. But yeah, come on with me, y'all. Yo, why my mom come outside with this thing on her head? I said, I'm happy we not going to Target because the ghetto. Ugh. How many bags think you gonna need?
I don't know. I'm just gonna get them. I'm gonna put them all in here.
Oh. Wow. Oh, that one's really. I know that's right. That's cute, man.
It's nice.
Wow, I am pleasantly surprised. Wow, look at the wrapping paper. That is so cute.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my yard. Fear in my mind is a warning. Running to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind it runs. All these stops are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right there, I really need China. I need to free my mind. I really need my mind. I really need to free my mind out. I really need China. I need to free my mind. I really need my now. Yeah. This is the piece that
Y'all, so I don't think I explained this, but through my mom's job, she sponsors a family. I guess that's what you would say. So they give us a list, and we go buy stuff for the kids. And we ended up, we do gotta go to Target with this thing on her head. The ghetto. I'm walking far away from her. Look at this thing on her head. Talking about Target.
It's freezing.
Come on.
Girl.
Girl, you take that thing off your head. At least take the, why you got the, my sis got the net on and the scarf.
It's raining. I need to get my hair done. Just got my hair done.
But yeah, we picked up some stuff for the kids, but we ended up having to go to Target anyway. We should have went the first time.
you cannot buy. Send me in love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. Far behind my mind it runs. All these stops are doubling. Fighting to give up my babe. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right here, I really need my dog. I really need to free my dog. I really need my dog. I need to free my mind out. I really need China. I really need to free my dog. I really need China. Oh yeah. Well, set me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find relief. Let me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this back, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really want wanna give you all, reflecting for the old friends. How that works, way that you're doing the most. But we take a picture, get posted. How that works, but you don't get back that shit up. Won't you say mine, so won't you say my name,
Deuce. Happy Wednesday, y'all. So yesterday I didn't really vlog that much. I just shot, you know, like some B-roll, I guess you would say. I went to lunch with my classmates to Chipotle. I'm trying to get jiggy with it, you know, because everybody always talk about how good it is. I don't know. But yeah, that's what we did yesterday. Our teacher is out, so we didn't really get to do much in class today. So hopefully she's back today so we can get back into the sim lab and make up for all the things that we missed. But yeah, hopefully I'll be giving you guys an update of what happened today. I have so much to do, but I am back from school. The amount of stuff that I have to do is scaring me, but it's okay. I kind of was expecting it. Well, not really, because my teacher is back. We have a test tomorrow. We have a test tomorrow on what? I hope I'm studying the right thing, because we just had so much other stuff to do to catch up on. So basically today in class we did the V-Sim lab, and that's the one I told you guys is on the computer, and like we say what, like we click what we should do for the patient. It's like a virtual patient, I guess you would say. So we did that. We had to do a coma scale for the patient, and we did a nurse's note. Do stop doing that. And we did a nurse's note for the patient that's due tomorrow, so I got that out the way today. I also had some homework, some end of the chapter homework, and then I have a group project that I have to finish, and I have to study for my test tomorrow. I'm just so like, wow. It's okay. This is like the make and break moment, I feel like, but it's okay. I will survive, okay? What I plan to do, and I hate doing this, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to study all this stuff tonight, because I have other stuff besides nursing school that I need to get done tonight. But y'all, I think I'm gonna have to study some of my stuff in class, like on my lunch break, and when I'm waiting for people, like I told you guys before in another vlog, like when we do our sim clinical inside the classroom, we're sitting there waiting for the groups to go, you know. So while we're waiting for that, I'm going to be studying like nobody's business, okay? I don't have time to be talking. I'm not trying to do nothing else. I got to get this done. This is very stressful, but, you know, this is what I signed up for. I'm not going to complain about it. You knew it was going to be stressful, Jazz. You knew it was going to be stressful. Yeah, y'all. So, wish your girl luck. I am about to get all this done. I will come back and update you guys. All right? Pray for me. Please. Pray for your girl. Hey y'all, I'm sorry I disappeared, but today is now Thursday. I took my test. I got an 86, but it's whatever. Like the highest grade in the whole class was a 92, so that should say something. At least, yeah, I scored the 86. I was a little stressed about it, but once the time got closer, I was just like, you know what? Let's just do it. So that's what I did. I think I'm proud of myself for somebody that didn't really know what to study. Cause, okay, the test was on chapter 6 through 10. All right, that's a lot of, chapter 6 was very long, like probably like 2 chapters long. So that's a lot to try to remember or try to think of. Okay, let me think like my professor, what would she think is important? You know, stuff like that. So, cause my professor wasn't there today again. So it's not like I could ask her questions. I don't know. I don't like bothering people when they're not like around. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, so I just wanted to come and update you guys on that. Today we practiced lung sounds again because my professor wasn't there. I'm still having a hard time with identifying coarse crackle versus fine crackle, and I'm really trying. But bronchi, I know that now. Is that how you say it? I know that now by heart. So now it is about to be 8 o'clock. Me and my kids are going to watch The Beauty and the Beast with her. I'm so happy to see this. If you guys do not know, we are a Disney family, okay? If you go and watch our previous vlogs, I'm going to post the link up here somewhere. You guys got to go see those vlogs. I have another one that I have to edit. We went, when was that, Duda? Like May? When did we go again? Yeah, we had one again. I gotta edit that. That was like months ago, y'all. So if it's any Disney people out there, like this video, okay? I'm gonna edit it and I'm gonna post it. I love going to Disney World. So I'm so excited about this. I always love Belle. I call Beautiful my Belle because she likes to read and all that stuff. But yeah, we're gonna watch Beauty and the Beast. I'm sorry this vlog has been so blah. Hopefully something exciting happens so I can come update you guys on that. So yeah. Oh my God, so beautiful. Look at Belle. Happy Sunday, y'all. By the time you see this, it will be Christmas. So I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I'm on my way to work. I ain't really have much going on. So this vlog is not going to be like, you know, that much going on. Because Santa was busy, okay? Santa had a lot going on. And I had to help him out. I'm not going to upload today. Today's Sunday. I'm not going to upload today like I usually do. I'm going to save it for Monday because, yeah, it's Christmas. Y'all probably not on YouTube watching videos, stuff like that. And if you are, it's okay. Go watch my Christmas vlog with me and my kids when we went to Disney World. That's something to watch. But, yeah, guys, that would be the end of this vlog. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff. Merry Christmas. Bye.
I wanna